Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So what if you could finish your entire data project with zero coding? Today I'm going to show you how to ChatGPT 4.0 did a full data analysis from cleaning to plotting to predictive modeling using just a CSV and plain English instructions. So no Python skills needed, just the right prompts. So let's jump right in. So here I have data that we are going to use. This is the data set I gave to GPT. So it's housing data with around 100 rows. And each row includes house size, price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, locations, type, garage, and years that were built. So the goal is to get the insight and also to predict the housing prices. So for us to do that, we can just go ahead and open up the ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 or ChatGPT 4.0. You can also use other versions. This is the paid model that I'm using. So I will take the prompt and prompt ChatGPT to give me some visualization. And here is the prompt: perform the EDA or exploratory data analysis on this housing dataset in Python using these these libraries. If you know something about the libraries, if you don't know, just ask it to perform for you. Let me delete the libraries so that say just Python. Then you include these, the summary statistics, the distribution plots. These are the things that you want the code to write for you. Include that. Then you can also give it more information. Write the Python code. Remember the environment you're going to run your code. So write the Python code that is compatible on Colab, or that you can run on Colab, on Google Colab, because we're going to use Google Colab to run this code. So if you're using VS Code or VS Studio, still okay, but we are going to use Google Colab to do this. So you go ahead and it will write for you the code. Here is the code, very nice code that's written for you. You don't need skills to do this, just Python will do it for you. So once it's done writing the code for you, it can even explain the code for you, but you don't want explanation. You want just to see if this code can run on Google Colab and give us the result that we are looking for. So go ahead and open up Google Colab so that we can run our code there. Our code, as we have seen, as Google Colab is opening up, you can see the code is well written. All the imports are here, the libraries that you need, the Pandas, NumPy, Sequon, Matplotlib, and all that. Then there is a pathway that you're going to upload your CSV file. Then you load your data. Then you display the first rows. You start data cleaning. It does that for you very well. Summary of your statistics. Check for the missing values. Then you come now to plotting, distribution of the price of the size, then the box plots, prices versus type, the heat map of the correlation, numericals, and all that. So it has given you all these, and we are going to see using Google Colab. I think there's a problem with my network. I'll just go ahead and reprompt again this tab to see what is happening there. Now, since our Colab is up and running, we will just go ahead and Control V, copy the whole code on our Google Colab. And remember, you have to check your run type. So check your run type to see, yes, we are using Python. So you can change from CPU to GPU or TPU. Let's use the GPU here, then save. So we will run our code on a GPU. So we go ahead and click Shift Enter. Then our code will start running. When you see this one here moving like that, it shows that our code is running and it has started giving us the output. So it will request us to upload the file that we want to analyze or to visualize. So you give it some few seconds. It depends on how faster your machine is, and here it comes. So we choose the file, go ahead and click on choose the file so that we can upload our file. So there it comes. So here is the housing price data that we want to use, and click enter. Then once our file is there, it starts to run the code immediately. As you can see here, it has given us summary of the statistics of our data. We have this house location, data type, bedroom, and all that. We also have statistics of our data, the missing values. It has been calculating this for us. And now here we have an error that we have run into. Now let's see if this can the ChatGPT can clean this error for us. So what we do is we just copy the error. Let's take screenshot the error like that. Once we have the error there, we go back to our ChatGPT and use it to debug the error. So let me show you how faster it can do that. Tell it to fix the error. Then you just click enter. It will go ahead and fix the error for you, then rewrite the code for you. So there, it's fixing the error for you. Okay, it has given you all that. Request it to rewrite the whole code, the corrected code here. Write the whole, yes, the whole corrected code here. So that you just you don't, yes, there, it's given us a whole code again. That is what we want. So we want to see if it has fixed our error there. So nice, it has given us a whole code there. So we can just copy this, go back to our Google Colab, then rerun it again. So we will go back, click on this, Control A, delete, then Control V, then rerun the code again to see if it will give you the same error or it will give you a different output. So we upload the file. Okay, like that. So then it starts to give us the analysis. Perfect. And now we have fixed our error, and it has gone ahead and given us the summary, statistical summary. It has done some plotings right there. So you can just take these graphs and then you go and explain them on your book. Here we have or your journal. Maybe you're working on your journal and you are doing data analysis on these. We have the box plots. We have the heat maps. It's done a lot of analysis for us, and as we can see, these are very nice visuals, and we can easily explain them using ChatGPT. So, and you can also give it different visualization. You can even request it to do more coding for you. So again, so that you can see what ChatGPT can do. As you have seen, I've used no knowledge. I know nothing about coding. If you know nothing about coding, you see it has given you everything. So you can just take this data. If you want to write a report, just use snip tool. You snip one image, you take it back to your ChatGPT, then you ask it to write a report for you. So just simple like that. And if you found this cool, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials and AI powered projects. So next up, we will try to do the same data set in other language, like for example R, and we'll see if it can match with Python in the same using the same ChatGPT model. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.